Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Keyframe in CapCut PC. If you want to edit in CapCut like a pro, keyframes are one thing you need to know about. They are an essential part of every animation, showing the starting and ending points of a particular feature in your video and ensuring smooth transitions. To use keyframes in CapCut PC, start by importing your video. Then, select your video on the timeline. Then go to the video section under Basic and add a keyframe. It is on right side of scale option. Here, you can see that I added a keyframe to my video. Next, I add another keyframe to zoom into this part of my video. Then, I add a third keyframe for the zoom out effect. I want my video to zoom in between keyframe 1 and keyframe 2. So I select keyframe 2 and increase the zoom level. Here is the final result. And that's how you use Keyframe in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.